The last 10 years I've made do with some pretty good camp gear, but nothing that matches the Canter setup. The Canter's been set up for some remote trips, so I've got to have some good gear that's going to last me. On the Longhaul, there is a slide-out twin gas burner. Now we put mine onto the left-hand side so that it's still protected by the cabin. Now you can have it where it pops out the other side even. And then of course the Windbreak. How good is that? You've got that, you pop it up, it doesn't matter where you are, in what conditions, it sort of really shields it. When Janet and Jim, a couple of good mates of mine from Top End Camp Gear, saw the Canter build on Instagram, they just knew it was time for me to go to the next level, and they produced this awesome, absolutely awesome kitchen. You know what I love about this though? I really love how compact I can have everything just in one spot. Tell you what, this kitchen's made a big difference for me. Right. Get the old toast on. Get the old bacon and eggs happening. Listen to them birds. The birds are just mad here. Absolutely mad. Sit back, eat some brekkie. The twin sliding drawers for utensils stop everything sliding around. And with the cabinet space below for the pots and pans, you've got all the room you need. Now, back in the old days, I used to have wraps to keep all my knives and forks in. Then I'd have something else for everything else. Then I'd have a container for this, and I'd have to pull the whole lot out. Now, this is just folds up. It's in the one kitchen area, and it's all at your fingertips and very simple to do. The timber prep bench is just awesome. It's really big, so there's plenty of room to cut up plenty of veggies, plenty of meat, you name it. Give it a clean up afterwards, oil it up, and she just folds away with the rest of it. I don't know why I didn't find out about this or do this sooner myself. Now, Jim, I think he made many different types before he came up with this setup. Now, he made them in wood when he was back driving trucks because, you know, it's expensive to stop and buy food everywhere you go. And then when you've got something that you can just pull out, whip up your food, make it all there, fold it back up and away you go. And the one thing I really like is just in the bottom, on the left-hand pocket, you've got two little knife holders that tuck in the side and keep those two sharp knives out of the way, but easy to grab out and chop, chop, chop. Beautiful. Janet and Jim have made 3 different stages of these kitchens, depending on your needs. But you can really tell that Jim and Janet are real bushies, you know. Just the way the whole thing's designed, it's practical. There's no bells and whistles. It's just doing everything you need it to do for where you're going and what you're doing. This Canter will be used in some truly remote areas, and gear like the Longhaul kitchen will make life out on the road so much easier. You know, it's these moments where you can kick back, look, listen, and this is what this country is about. Go and explore it, go and check it out. It is an awesome, awesome place. Check out the range for yourself, and while you're there, have a look at their folding fire pits. They're awesome too.